I will answer it because this unit cannot get involved in terms of what's happening internationally. Why are we doing this? We are doing this for the benefit of South Africa and its people. We know what the implications would be of further punitive measures by the United States against the country. We try to avert that by trying to find solutions to this international friction that we are seeing. But if these efforts are being sabotaged, as Mr. Mbalula is doing, the country will bear the brunt of his reckless behavior. And then we would say, well, if you're going to act against somebody, we would say we have to provide an alternative. And that alternative is, if you're angry with people insulting you, don't punish all of us, because everybody in this room will be negatively affected. Rather punish that person that's responsible for this. And that is our call. It's actually a last resort, because we tried through discussions, also with the ANC, to say, let's try and find a solution. But it seems like Mr. Mbalula is hell-bent, for the benefit of his own aspirations to become the leader of the ANC, for that short-term gain, to harm the country. And that is why we are taking a stance. If we ask the US to act against Mr. Mbalula, it's an act of loyalty to the people of this country, because we're trying to avert them being punished for this stupidity that we see from Mr. Mbalula.